Ready? Three, two, one, start. There is a compelling documentary on Netflix titled The Keepers Full Stop. It begins with an unsolved murder mystery, a theme which has become rather popular for documentaries on streaming websites and elsewhere. Full stop. The murder is of a nun Beck in 1969 who taught at a high school in Baltimore, US. Full stop. After her disappearance, one night her body was found 2 months later, but the perpetrators were never identified or found. Full stop. New paragraph. But within one episode, it is clear the series and the story it was following was so much bigger than the murder of a young nun who taught English at a Catholic school. Full stop. By the time the viewer clicks on the second episode, it turns into a story of abuse carried out at the school by a priest. As the survivors tell of their experiences, it turns out that some of them had confided in the nun, and there is circumstantial evidence to suggest that she wanted to protect the girls, which may have led to her unexplained disappearance and death. Full stop. By then, the nun, despite the documentary returning to her time and again, is a side story. Full stop. The main focus is the survivors and their trauma and their later efforts in the 1990s to sue the church for the abuse. Full stop. New paragraph. The series touches upon the larger context in which the abuse took place. Baltimore was a deeply Catholic city, and the school was run by the diocese. Full stop. Securing admission to it was no small matter, especially for the blue collar families who aspired to send their daughters there. Full stop. The clergy running the school were a figure of authority in more ways than one. Full stop. A sibling of one of the survivors says in the film, priests were the authority. Full stop. New paragraph. As the survivors tell their story, one wonders if, apart from the difference to religion, class also played a role. Full stop. Other accounts of such abuse have highlighted that many of the victims came from less privileged backgrounds and hence were elated by the initial attention paid to them by their abusers. Full stop. Later, the same inequality is used to scare them into silence as well as provide protection to the abuser. Full stop. For example, in the keepers, the accused's close relationship with the police adds to his perceived invincibility. The survivors speak of policemen abusing them, having been invited to do so by the priest. Full stop.